For saying happy birthday to you.
Thanks for the birthday wishes.
He's on call on his birthday. So I'm gonna make taco salad. Oh, you're gonna need these too. Oh my God. So you'll need some corn chips, tortilla chips, some lettuce, cheese, seasoning mix, black beans, 1 pound of ground beef, and you can do. Most people do either ranch, creamy Italian, or Catalina. I'm gonna go with ranch today.
Ew.
He's having steak today for his birthday. I bought him a steak. All right, so let's get started. Meet my husband, John, a traveling healthcare professional, and me, Shelly, his wife, and full-time vlogger, and our adorable Chihuahua, Mr. Tiggs. Follow our crazy life as we travel through different cities and states, just trying to find our forever home. Okay, so first things first, I'm just making for one because he's having a steak. So you get your lettuce all tore up, rinsed, and drained. First step. Then get the taco meat going. Okay, so while the meat's cooking, let's get our taco seasoning mixed up with some water. Let's drain these black beans. Okay, so I'm going to, I don't need to drain this because it doesn't have the fat in it. See? That's why I always, seriously? God. So I'm going to add some black beans right to my burger. Just want to heat them up. Some more black beans. Alright, so it's about a cup of water, and then I dissolve the taco seasoning in it, like I always do. Drop it in there. Oh, it smells so good. Let it absorb the meat. Or I mean, the flavor. Now you want the meat and the black beans to absorb and thicken up the seasoning. Look how yummy that looks. Now, since I'm just making it for myself, I only put in about that much lettuce. I'm putting it in this big bowl for a reason, so I can mix everything together and then serve it to myself in that bowl. So you're gonna put in your lettuce, your cheese, I like a lot of cheese. Now remember, you can make this pound of meat right here would probably make taco salad for 4 people. So I'm gonna save it when I'm done, obviously, so I can make more. Only make up what you're gonna eat or you can't refrigerate it. Everything gets ruined. Then I'm gonna crush up some tortilla chips. If you wanna go the diabetic route, use the baked. There's baked tortillas. Some chips in there. Now we'll start scooping our meat in there. This is all flavorful now. The beans are all heated up. Turn it off. Some taco meat in there. This is gonna be way more than I can eat, but whatever. Oh my god. This is like becoming a serving for two. Get a fork. See if I need more meat in there. I want everything to be pretty even. I don't want a head of lettuce and then I'm just eating lettuce. So, I think we need some more meat. And more cheese. So basically this right here is for two people. Maybe Mr. NOMADness will eat some. We'll see. A little bit more chips. I just put too much lettuce, that's why. For me. I like it even mix up everything. Alright, now the glue. That's what I call it. I'm gonna tell you this is the best. Maybe more cheese. Oh, I'm starving. I haven't eaten in 6 hours. Alright, now let's put some glue in there. I'm just putting in, maybe 2 tablespoons for now. Because I don't want it to overpower it, I just want it to stick together. So when you eat it, everything, it's like a wet taco salad. Alright, 2 more tablespoons. So I would say 2 tablespoons for 1 serving, since this is 2. See, now it's all mixed really nice. Alright. Now I'm gonna scoop some in my bowl. It is the best way to eat taco salad. It really is. And it's not pretty to look at. It doesn't plate well. See? You can keep adding whatever you want. You can do tomatoes, green peppers, onions. Have a heyday. I personally don't like tomatoes, green peppers, or onion. Yum! Taco salad.